Well, welcome to Hepron's Gardens of the Lazy Acre. This is one of my favorite projects that I've taken on in retirement. I believe this is retirement project number 8, if I'm not mistaken. One of my absolute favorites because I can sit here for hours. This waterfall is so mesmerizing. I just love it. This project is a lot more involved than I had anticipated it to be, than I had planned on it to be, than I wanted it to be. But oh my gosh, it was so worth it. It was quite the ordeal. I never intended for it to be this involved, but here it is. So, here's how it went. I'm embarking on a new project today. This is what used to be a pond area. I had a couple of winter creeper specimens in here, part of my winter creeper collection, but it is horribly overgrown. The winter creepers have gotten huge. This is one plant, by the way. These have gotten huge and completely out of control. It has been swallowed by grapevines. It has been swallowed by Virginia creeper, milkweed, and other things. Oh my gosh. I have several rhododendrons buried in here somewhere. I have a hole in my liner. So somewhere down in here, there is water. It's time to reclaim this. It's time to bring this back to life. So this is my journey. I'm going to start. This is going to take a while. I'm going to start in the corner over here. I'm going to prune my winter creeper so that it's manageable, and see what's in here. So join me on this journey. All right. So, here's my progress. Several of the winter creepers have been pruned up. They've been tamed. I have now exposed the pond. It is low. It's about 6 inches lower than it was originally designed for, so I know there's a hole. In this part of the pond, I had a bog area. And the liner that was there had a rodent hole in it, rather large rodent hole. It was about 6 inches in diameter. So I suspect somewhere down in here, at about the water level where it is right now, there's another hole. So gosh, if I can maintain this at this level, I think I can live with that. We're going to have a waterfall in that area. I have a lot of boulders that came out of this area. Oh my gosh, what a mess. This was just a mess. This was a tangled mess, much like this still is. This was just a tangled mess back here. So, I know I have this is an aquascape skimmer. So I have that to reuse. Don't know if my pump works. I doubt it. It's been sitting for a long time. But this is the area. This is actually, my son and I have been sitting here after we do the back-breaking work, just to sit here and kind of look. And this is going to be nice when it's all done. So onward. Perhaps you can use your imagination. Where the red tray is sitting is the area for a waterfall. The elevation is not important right now. It's going to be sticking up much higher than that. I have all those boulders to use. I have some ideas on how to get that up. I'm actually going to use that red thing, but I'm going to disguise it. So this is where the waterfall is going to be. I'm going to have a liner behind it. Let's see where this goes. Well, we ended up doing what I really didn't want to do, which was tear this thing all apart, because I had the leak in this pond is somewhere down at this layer, somewhere in this area, and I would have like a foot of water. A pond this size needs a lot more than a foot of water. So I have a new liner coming. It's going to cover all of this. This is roughly maybe 8 feet across. Maybe it's 15 feet long. The exact shape, don't know yet. That's going to kind of come as I build it. The waterfall, by the way, is going to be in that corner. It's going to span right across there. I have a skimmer box over yonder. It's going to go where that bucket is right now. Yeah, we're going to see what happens.